one of the common misnomers about contact lens care is you can keep on using the same case for an indefinite period of time. Not only is that not true, but you need to clean the case that you are using probably at least once a week. Most of the time our contact lens cases are stored in the bathroom. The bathroom is a high, has a high intake of bacteria. So there's a high probability that you could get stuff that you do not want on your contact on it if you do not clean your case. Here we just have, again, the simple case that I would suggest doing. And there's a contact in here now, but we'll ignore that. What you want to do is just take some soft soap and just scrub it out. It doesn't have to be super extravagant. You don't have to use a power cleaner. But you'll notice on older, if you have a screw on top, these are just snap-ins, for instance, but you'll kind of get grime and grit around the edges here, and that's going to be very dangerous because that's bacteria and it's really close to your contact. So I would say change your case out once a month, but up until then I would definitely clean it out once a week just to make sure that your case is still protecting you from bacteria. You don't want that stuff on there. So again, just a soft soap will be fine. You make sure you take your contacts out, of course, but then scrub it down with soft soap. You can use the case for a month when you do that, and then update to a new case. Generally speaking, your opticians will give you a new case for free.